gonna tell you guys the first time and ever that a cop pulls his gun on me like this. Traumatizing, yo. Stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're on the work in this beautiful house. But on life as well. All right. It wasn't that dramatic, but it was kind of dramatic and traumatizing at the same time because I ain't no darn criminal. I pay my taxes, all right? So here's how it happened. It was a Thursday afternoon. My mom came from home from a long day of appointments in the hospital. So she said, here's $20, go to a Chinese store, get some food. I got a black jacket, and my brother put on a white pearl jacket that he just bought. It was super white, it was super nice. Not even a block away from my house, I hear this cop screeching in the corner. And I was walking this way, the car came and he put his patrol car like right angle straight at us. I'm like, and out of nowhere, he pops up and takes his gun out and points it at us. Don't move! Put your hands up! And I'm like, what in the world is going on? I'm trying to buy some Chinese, man. I'm hungry. What's going on? And then the cop says, yeah, I got him. And he walks up, points his freaking gun at us, and then he searches us. I'm like, don't move, put your hands up. And I don't know about y'all, but when I'm nervous, I put my hands in my pocket. So I'm like, put your hands up. It was that kind of scenery. So then he checks us, no nothing. Then he comes down, and he puts his gun in his belt. And he says, oh, we just had a call that it was a guy with a white t-shirt, and he had a gun. If a mechanic don't like breaking nuts working on a car, technically that means mechanics don't like busting nuts. I understand where they're coming from. If they did receive a call, they have to go check it out. I understand, but personally, I felt attacked. I felt my right as a tax-paying citizen was violated because I didn't do nothing. Me and my brother didn't have no gun. We were going to buy some Chinese food to go to church. That was it. That's not a crime, brother. That's what happened. This cop pulled a gun right on our freaking faces. And that experience was kind of traumatizing because I am no criminal. I didn't do nothing, like I said. And this cop just straight up put his gun on us like this. What do you guys think? Were they justified, or could I, go like a lawsuit or something and got some money out of that? I'm kidding. Do not defund the police. That's crazy, man. I don't know about y'all. Defunding the police is gonna create chaos all over the freaking world. I don't know what you guys thinking. Take out the bad apples, of course, 100%. But defund the police, you guys are crazy, brother. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this type of content, please give me a like on this video. Please consider subscribing because there's way more things coming for this channel. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.